Hello, so I just bought a van and we're gonna go pick it up and I'm so excited. Yay! So we just got to the van and it didn't start and so we were freaking out and then we just got someone to jump start it. So we're on.
We on.
We on.
We are.
So
We've got the van going. How are you feeling, Bella?
I feel like I just had a huge cortisol lift
Yeah.
in my body.
Cortisol, adrenaline.
But I feel good. It's running. Man, I really wish that I was just like that a little bit shorter. So we're taking it for a test drive.
Yeah, back to the coast we go. Yeah.
We've named this baby Hiccup because we had a bit of a hiccup at the start, but everything worked out.
Go.
Hello guys, this is my van. This is my Toyota Hiace Super Custom 1995. Its name's Hiccup and we are converting this into a little home on wheels. This is my dad here. He's gonna help me do the conversion and yeah.
Awesome.
Deep down in Louisiana, close to New Orleans, way back up in the woods among the evergreens, there stood a log cabin made of earth and wood, where lived a country boy named Johnny B. Good, who never ever learned to read or write so well, but he could play a guitar just like a ringing a bell. Go, go! Go, Johnny, go, go! Go, Johnny, go, go! Go, Johnny, go, go! Go, Johnny, go, go! Johnny be good. He used to carry his guitar in a gunny sack, go sit beneath the tree by the railroad track, bowl engine, everything sitting in the shade, strumming with the rhythm that the drivers made. When people passing by, they would stop and say, oh my, but that little country boy could play. Go, 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 Johnny, go, 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 Johnny, go, 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 Johnny, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go. Johnny be good. His mother told him someday you will be a man, and you will be the leader of a big old band. Many people coming from miles around to hear you play your music when the sun go down. Maybe someday your name will be in lights saying, Johnny be good tonight. Go, 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 Johnny, go. 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 Go. Johnny be good.
So we're putting the roof racks on, but this is a different type of roof racks because the first lot were too small. So we had to send it back and get some new ones, but these ones are good.
Worst of all, never thought, baby, when you see you will. But I love you still. I need you. I need you more than anyone, darling. You know that I have from the start. So build me up, buttercup. Don't break my heart. I'll be over at 10. You told me time and again, but you're late. I wait around and then I run to the door. I can't take anymore. It's not you. You let me down again. but I love you still. I need you more than anyone, darling.
So we are officially done the van.
Here you go. Yeah.
It took exactly 3 weeks. And
2.5
many
weeks too long.
arguments later, we are finished.
Some tears, some tears.
She cried.
See, look at this. Look at it. Whoa, so good.
And I will do a full tour in the next video. Stay tuned.
Buttercup, don't break my heart. You are my toy, but I could be the boy you